Transform your space with a twin Murphy bed with built-in charging station. Need more room without giving up comfort or style? Say hello to the twin Murphy bed with built-in charging station. The ultimate space-saving solution for modern living. Whether you live in a small apartment, a cozy studio, or want to upgrade your guest room, this smart bed is designed to do more with less. Imagine having a comfy bed, stylish storage, and a built-in power hub, all in one. The twin size is perfect for kids, teens, solo sleepers, or guests. But what really takes this bed to the next level? What makes this Murphy bed so special? A Murphy bed folds up neatly into the wall or a cabinet, giving you back your floor space when you're not using it. It has a built-in charging station with USB ports and power outlets. Now you can charge your phone, tablet, or laptop right next to your bed. No messy wires or bulky extension cords needed. Key features you'll love: smart charging hub built, USB ports plus outlets for all your devices, twin-size comfort. Ideal for one, perfect for small rooms. Fold-away design tucks into a cabinet to free up space, instantly sleek and modern look. Matches any decor style. From minimal to cozy, durable build. Strong frame supports daily use without wear. Optional storage, add drawers, shelves, or cabinets for extra function. Perfect for any room, not sure where to put it. The twin Murphy bed fits right into small SEO apartments or studios. Home offices that double as guest rooms, teen or kids' bedrooms, Airbnb or short-term rentals, multi-use spaces in modern homes. It's not just a bed, it's a space style-boosting, tech-powered upgrade. Why? You'll love it more. Space. Instantly fold it up when you're done, and enjoy a roomy open floor. No more outlet hunting. Stay charged with built-in USB ports and power plugs. The twin Murphy bed with built-in charging station is your new best friend. It's smart, sleek, and made for modern life. The kind of furniture that works as hard as you do. Modern style, clean lines, and smart design that fits right in. Functional design. This bed is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Great for guests. Make your visitors feel right at home without needing a full-time guest room. Final thoughts: if you're tired of clutter and ready to reclaim your room, whether you're short on space or just love clean,